So again, hello everyone. I Anjum Bhati Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. As you all know, yesterday we have read till the narrator means Amir was confused and experienced some sort of fear of losing the game. Out of the fear, the Amir told Hassan that they should go back to home not to participate the tournament. Now ahead we'll read. Then he stepped toward me and in-law voice means Hassan stepped toward to Amir and in-law voice said him something that scared me a little means Amir was afraid what Hassan has told him. Remember Amir Agha? The Amir's full name is Amir Agha. There's no monster कि यहाँ पर कोई monster नहीं है, just a beautiful day. It is just a beautiful day. Who is saying this? Hassan to Amir. Okay, how could I be such an open book to him when half the time I had no idea what was milling means moving around in his head. Now Amir is saying that Hassan is very well good friend of mine because he knows everything about me. How he got to know everything instead of the mind in his mind. Okay, I was the one who went school, and I was the only who went to school, the one who could read and write, and मैं ही हूँ हम दोनों में से जो पढ़ भी सकता है और लिख भी सकता है. I was the smart one. Hassan couldn't read a first grade textbook, but he would read me plenty. Plenty means a lot. Even Hassan couldn't read any first grade syllabus, but he could read me a lot. That was a little unsettling, but also sort of comfortable. Sort of comfortable means type of comfortable to have someone who always knew what you needed. So I am very blessed to have Hassan as a friend, and he was actually a servant of of his house, but he understand him like a friend, like a brother. Okay, no monster. Now here Hassan is saying, no monster, I said, feeling a little better to my own surprise. He smiled, no monster, are you sure? Now again he's saying, he's talking to Hassan that no monster here. Now Hassan is smiling and saying no monster here. So he closed his eyes, उसने अपनी आंखें बंद की, noted अपने face को, अपने चेहरे को हिलाया. I looked at the kid scampering means running quickly down the street. Yani now Amir is looking towards to the kids who are running quickly, okay, flinging snowballs और एक दूसरे पर क्या कर रहे हैं, throw कर रहे snowballs. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? क्या ये beautiful day नहीं है? Let's fly, he said. Now Hassan कन्विंस हिम टू फ्लाई द काइट. पहले तो क्या हुआ, आमिर डरा हुआ था, बट हसन ने उसको कन्विंस किया और उसको आगे बढ़ाया फ्लाई करने के काइट को. ओके, लेट्स डू इट, आई सेड. देन आई एग्रीड. हु इज आई हियर? Amir agreed and said, let's do it. Hassan's face brightened. Now Hassan was very happy to hear this. Good, he said. Now Hassan said, good, very good. He lifted our kite, red with yellow borders, and just beneath were the central and cross pairs met marks with the Cepho's unmistakable signature. Cephos here, makers of kite. Okay, Cepho kaun hai? Maker of kite. Now you can see over here the red and yellow color kite, and there is a string attached with the kite. Okay, so he licked his finger, licked means touched with tongue, his finger, and held it up, tasted the wind. Tasted means wind को check किया कि कहाँ की तरफ wind है, then ran into the direction, उसी direction में दौड़ कर गया. On those rare occasions we flew kites in the summer, he would pick up dust to see which way the wind blew it. So here it was very difficult to find out as a winter was going on that where the wind are coming, okay, wind is coming from. So the spool I have told you, a kind of reel, rolled in my hand until Hassan stopped. Okay, then about 50 feet away, he held the kite high over his head. Now here you can see the green overcoat is the one who is wearing green overcoat is Hassan, and here who has spool in his hand, who is Amir. Okay, like an Olympic athlete showing his gold medal, I jerked means I moved the string twice. String kind of wire जिसे आप मांझा कहते हैं, our usual signal, and Hassan tossed the kite. Now Hassan moved the kite, tossed the kite. I took a deep breath. I took a deep breath, exhaled. Exhale means gave out, breathe, and pulled on, move something smoothly on the string, on the thread or which I had. Within a minute, a kite was rocketing to the sky. Within a moment, the kite was flying in the sky. It was a sound like a paper bird flapping, and the sound of flying the kite was like a flapping bird flapping its wing means the bird moving up and down quickly. It was looking like this. My kite was looking like this, like a bird flapping its wing means moving up and down quickly. Hassan clapped his hand. Now Hassan is very happy and he's clapping his hand. He was clapping, whistled, and then back to me और मेरे पीछे दौड़ा. I handed him the spool. मैंने जो रील थी वो हसन को दे दी, holding on to the string, and I holded the string only, and the spun means spin. The second form of spin. Spin meaning is make something turn round quickly. So I spun it quickly to roll the loose string back on. At least 2 dozen means 24 kites already hung in the sky. 1 dozen means 12 and 2 dozen means 24. Okay. So he assumed that there were 24 kites in the sky, like paper shark roaming for prey. Prey here means animal hunted and caught food. It was looking like all kites were looking like a paper shark, okay, and the animals like hunting and caught the food. Within an hour, the number doubled. Now, within an hour, the kite were doubled. Okay, and red, blue, and yellow kites glided and spun in the sky. I was able to see many colors of kites over there. A cold breeze wafted through my hair. Cold breeze drifted. Okay, बहुत ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही थी. The wind was perfect for kite flying, and that time the wind was very perfect for the kite flying, blowing just hard enough to give some lift, make the swifts means a wide space easier. Now the wind has given us many space to go to fly the kite. Okay, next to me Hassan held the spool. नेक्स्ट मेरे सामने ही हसन ने क्या लिया हुआ था, स्पूल को पकड़े हुए था, रील को पकड़े हुए था. His hand already blooded by the string. Soon the cutting started, and the first of the defeated kite whirling means twisted out of control. The first kite which was cut by someone else was whirling means lifting, okay, twisting. Sorry. Then fell from the sky like shooting star with brilliant rippling means a small wave tails showering the neighborhoods below with prizes for the kite runner. And after cutting it was like a shooting star. Okay, आपने देखा होगा एक shooting star जैसे आता है, उसी तरीके से वो kite नीचे हुए गिरती हुई आ रही थी. I could hear the runners now hollering as they in the street. Hollering means shouting. All the runners behind the kites were shouted. Okay, shouting. Someone shouted reports of a fight breaking out 2 street down. Someone shouted for catching the kite, and someone shouted for the reporting about the kite. Okay, I kept stealing glance means hurried look at Baba sitting with Rahim Khan with his friend on the roof and wondered what he was thinking. I gave my hurried look at Baba sitting with the Rahim Khan, and I was thinking that what is Baba thinking, my father thinking. Was he cheering for me? And Amir is saying that Baba, was he cheering for me? Or did a part of him enjoy watching me fail? Or he is enjoying as I am as a failure. Okay, they were coming down all over the place now, the kites, and I was still flying. Many of kids were coming down to catch the kite, which were cut by anyone else. But I was concentrating on my kite only. Okay, I was still flying, but my eyes kept wandering over to Baba bundled up in his wool sweater. Was he surprised I had lasted as long as I had? Now I was still flying and looking at Baba and also thinking covered with sweater who was covered with sweater, who was Baba. Okay, because it is the time of winter, and I was a little bit surprised and thinking that Baba is here for me or someone else. Okay, you don't keep your eyes to sky, you won't last much longer. I snapped my gaze back to the sky. Now I thought myself that I should not gaze my eyes towards to anywhere. I have to concentrate only on my kite. So I snapped my gaze back to the sky. A red kite was closing in on me means मेरे just सामने एक red kite भी थी. I would caught it just a minute time. I tangled a bit with it, ended up besting means losing temporary stitches him when he became impatient and tried to cut me before from below. Now there were a red kite the person who had the red kite was trying to cut my kite from the below side. Up and down the street, kite runner were returning triumphantly. Triumphantly means victory as a victorious. Okay, their captured kite held high. Now they had their kites whom they catch. Okay, they shot them off to their parents. They shot their kites whom they काइट्स जिनके पीछे वो भाग रहे थे, जिनको जिनको उन्होंने चेज किया था, वो काइट्स लाकर वो अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखा रहे थे एंड आल्सो देयर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, बट दे ऑल न्यू द बेस्ट वाज येट टू कम. बट उन्हें सभी को पता था कि लास्ट वन विल बी द प्राइज फॉर देम. ओके, द बिगेस्ट प्राइज ऑफ ऑल वाज स्टिल फ्लाइंग. आई स्लाइस्ड अ bright yellow kite with a coiled yani rounded with white tail. It cost me another test on the index means first finger after thumb. Okay, finger and blood trickle down into my palm. Now जब वो आमिर जब काइट को उड़ा रहा था तो स्ट्रिंग से क्या हुआ, उसका हाथ कटता जा रहा था. आई हैड हसन टोल्ड the string and sucked the blood dry. Blotted my finger against my jeans. Now I um, वहां जहां मुझे वाउंड हुआ था, कट लगा था, आई ब्लॉटेड माई फिंगर अगेंस्ट माई जीन्स. मैंने जीन्स के अंदर उसको रख लिया रब करने के लिए. ओके, विद इन अनदर आवर द नंबर ऑफ surviving kites dwindled means getting smaller. Okay, from maybe 50 to a dozen. आई वॉज वन ऑफ देम. मैं भी उनमें से कुछ था. कुछ कुछ काइट जैसे जैसे टाइम बीत रहा था वो कट होकर के कम होती जा रही थी. एंड इन दैट आई वॉज वन ऑफ देम. आई वुड मेड इट टू द लास्ट डजन. और मुझे चाहिए था कि लास्ट डजन काइट में मेरी भी काइट हो. मीन्स 12 काइट जो लास्ट बचती है उनमें भी मेरी हो. आई न्यू दिस पार्ट ऑफ टूर्नामेंट वुड टेक अ व्हाइल. और मुझे पता था इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम बिकॉज द गाइज हु हैड लास्टेड दिस लॉन्ग वेरी गुड. एंड बिकॉज आई न्यू द guys who were flying the kite was very good at it. Okay, they would not easily fall into simple traps like a old lift and dive, Hassan's favorite trick. And they know how to deal with a kite fighter or against a kite fighter as Hassan's it was Hassan's favorite trick. By 3 o'clock that afternoon, tufts of clouds had drifted in and the sun had slipped behind them. Now it's a time of dusk. Okay, shadows started to lengthen. The spectators of the roof bundled up in the scarves and thick coats as in the time of winter over there. So all the spectators were were lifted bundled up in their scarves and thick coats. We were down to half dozen. Now there were only 6 kites remaining and I was still flying, and I was one of them and still flying. My legs ached and my neck was stiff. Okay, but with each defeated kite, hope grew in my heart like snow collecting on a wall, on one flag at a time. But after all, after defeated another person, it was great hope. It created great hope in my heart. My eyes kept returning to a blue kite that had been wrecking Hovik. Hovik means great destruction for the last hour. I was only concentrating on that blue kite who was against me. How many he has he cut? I asked. I asked to means Amir here is asking to Hassan that how many he has cut. I counted 11. Hassan said. Hassan said I counted 11. Do you know who it might be? And he again asked, do you know about him? Hassan clubbed his tongue and tipped his chin. That was a trademark Hassan gesture, means he had no idea. Now Hassan has given a kind of gesture, like he clubbed his tongue and tipped his chin, means he had no idea who that the person was, okay, of blue kite. Now here the blue kite sliced a big purple one and swept twice in a big loop. Now blue kite slice means cut कर दी purple kite को and with a big loop. Loop means a curved or round shape made by a line curving round. 10 minutes later, he would cut another two. Now after 10 minutes, the blue one has cutted two more kites. Cut two more kites, sending hordes of kite runner racing after them. Then now what happened over there? जब काइट कट होती थी तो बहुत सारे लोग गैदर होके बच्चे गैदर होके उन काइट के पीछे चले जाते थे. After another 30 minutes, only four kites remained. And what was happened after 30 minutes? Only four kites remained, and I was still flying. मैं भी उनमें था. It seemed I could hardly make a wrong move, as if very gust of wind blew my favor. मुझे लग रहा था मुझे कोई भी wrong move नहीं करना है, as the gust of wind was like in my favor. जैसा कि मुझे लग रहा था उस दिन कि wind आज मेरे favor में है, जैसा मैं उड़ा रहा हूँ वैसे ही जा रही है. I would never felt so in command, so lucky in felt intoxicating means exciting. I was feeling exciting on that time. I didn't look up to the roof, didn't dare take my eyes off the sky. मैंने कहीं और नहीं देखा. I didn't even dare to take my eyes off to the sky. I only concentrated on my kite on the sky. I had to concentrate, play it smart. And what he's saying that I had to concentrate on that time and I had to play the smartness with smartness. Another 15 minutes and what had seemed like a laughable dream that morning has suddenly become a reality. It was just me and the other guy. Means last in the last situation there were two kites. One was related with Amir and second was the blue one. Okay, the blue kite. The tension in the air was taut as the glass string. Taut means stretching tightly. There were lots of tension as the glass string I was tugging with my blood hands. Tugging means to pull something hard. The string which I was pulling hard with my blooded hands. मेरे हाथों में blood भी आ चुका था because उस जो मांझा था उससे मेरे हाथ कट चुके थे. People were stamping their feet, tapping, whistling, chanting. People were very happy to see the kite over there over the sky. There were only two kites and they were clapping, they were whistling and they were shouting, cut him, cut him. I wondered if Baba's voice was of them and I was very surprised if Baba's voice was one of them. Music blasted. Music बहुत तेजी से हो गया. The smell of the steamed mento. Mento here is, it is a dish served in Afghanistan. Okay, and fried pakoras. As you all know, what is pakoda? Okay, a piece of vegetable of meat or meat coated in a season better and deep fried. Okay, drifted from rooftop and open doors. Now there was smell like pakora, mentos, and the sound of people, music. Okay, I can feel all these things, but all I heard, बस मैं क्या सुन रहा था? This is Amir saying that what I heard, all I will myself to hear, जो कि मैं सुन रहा था, was the thudding of blood in my head. Thudding means a sound, a very dangerous sound, जो कि मेरे अंदर ही अंदर दिमाग में दौड़ रहा था. And all I saw was the blue kite. Only I was looking at the blue kite. All I smelled was victory, salvation, redemption. और जो मुझे स्मेल आ रही थी जिस चीज की, वो क्या थी? मेरी विक्ट्री थी. सेल्वेशन मीन्स रेस्क्यू फ्रॉम डेंजर एंड रिडेम्पशन मीन्स एक्शन ऑफ बीइंग saved. Okay, if Baba was wrong and there was a god like they said in school, then he would let me win. अगर जैसा कि मुझे बाबा हमेशा से कहते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक नहीं, there was a god. जब मैं छोटा था स्कूल में था तब बाबा मुझे he used to say me so he would let me win. अगर गॉड होंगे तो शायद वो मुझे विन करवा देंगे. he would let me win, वो मुझे जीतने भी देंगे. Okay, he was praying in himself. Okay, I didn't know what the other guy was playing for. Maybe just begging. Right, begging means to talk to proud about something. यानी नहीं होता अपनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें बोलना, शायद लोग उसके लिए प्ले कर रहे होंगे. But this was my one chance to become someone who was looked at, not seen, listened to, not heard. अब ऐसा उसको क्या लग रहा था कि शायद ब्लू काइट वाला सोच रहा होगा कि मेरी तारीफ होगी, मेरे बारे में बातें होगी अगर मैं कट कर, बट व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग मींस व्हाट आमिर वाज थिंकिंग दैट only that someone who was looked at, not seen me and listen about me can recognize me like a kite fighter. And suddenly, just like that, hope became knowledge. I was going to win. It was just a matter of when. But after some time, it was a time when I was about to win. But I was not sure that when the moment will come. Okay, it turned out to be sooner than later. A gust of wind lifted my kite, and I took advantage. And sudden a moment, a gust of wind lifted my kite, and I took advantage of it. Fed the string and pulled up. मैंने string को छोड़ दिया बिल्कुल thread को और उसको आगे जाने दिया. Looped my kite on top and the blue one of the blue one. मैंने क्या किया, अपनी काइट को लूप किया मींस कर्व करता रहा, किसके आगे पीछे, ब्लू वन, ब्लू काइट के आगे पीछे. आई हेल्ड पोजीशन, आई टुक द पोजीशन. द ब्लू काइट न्यू इट वाज इन ट्रबल एंड द blue kite came to know that it was in trouble because I lifted my kite over it. It was trying desperately to maneuver of the jam. Maneuver meaning here a movement performed with care and skill. Now it was the time which I have to take care of myself, and also the blue kite should care and skill used to some skill to out of the jam, to remove out of the jam. But I didn't let go. लेकिन मैंने उसे नहीं जाने दिया. He tried very much, but I didn't let it go. I held position and I continuously took the position. The crowd sensed the end was at hand. The chorus of cut him, cut him. The here chorus means repeated sound. The repeated sound was like cut him. Grew louder or sound तेजी से बढ़ गया. You are almost there, Amir Aga, almost there. Hassan was painting. Painting means to breathe quickly. Hassan was breathing quickly and loud sound were there, repeated sound were there, cut him, grew louder, and it was grew louder like Amir Aga, you can do this, you can cut him. Okay. Then the moment came. वो मोमेंट आया. आई क्लोज माई आईज एंड लूजन माई ग्रिप ऑन द स्ट्रिंग. मैंने अपनी आंखें क्लोज की और मेरी जो ग्रिप थी उसको मैंने लूज कर दी. स्लाइस माई फिंगर अगेन. इससे मेरे वापस कट लग गया. बट एज अ विंड ड्रैग इट. And then I didn't need to hear the crowd's roar to know. I didn't need to see either. मुझे किसी को देखने की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि मुझे लोगों के शोर से ही समझ में आ रहा था कि मैं विन कर चुका हूँ. Hassan was screaming and his arm was wrapped around my neck. Hassan was very screaming loudly and he put his arm on his neck. Bravo, bravo, Amir Aga. Then he said, bravo, very well done, Amir Aga. Then finally he cut the blue kite and win that kite competition. Okay, class, here we have completed our chapter. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Take care. Goodbye.